chiche na unsa beka wo de me pa cho wan kasa so ohun ya na ebusuafo e omo ye see ye de ho eja nyankropon de abribia obekra obehwe so 7 o'clock na eduso no some delight o'clock me delight so bia ho ye me gigi no kasa baby awo bia ene Wednesday na onim say service excellence day na yes I appreciating for so my bibi e dance so ai enti na se ebie phone line say be pesa obeba no abeka obi a why bibi e wo de wo da na se ana adwuma ko bi po a wo ko ho a omo hwe wo feso emo wani gi enti no wo pesa obebo mu di na obo mu abaso e kwan da ho na enne no me se ka say baby awo bia me wo che say giant in the music industry e wo fidwie mu so what beats bi wa shum kakra DJ Rich Beats Mice where yin in tem I was here for me more kwaba and then I be fire ya e wo fie ha me producer Tinase Elder Jerry 1
Tanasa woman
so na wa han we ni no misro
there's my word keke
ai Elder Jerry na bibia ye boko
adum Jidie ene patapa nko
sa na me tonka o mashum no bibia ye fine ho
bibia ye fine what minka
I said ya aye bibia wo ho no but to de me worry ebe yi
what minka
ba egusuba ai that Rich Beats my so here o mechi ebusia for Sompa the light there I feel
because I feel free now. Let me feel free.
Well, feel free. Ma feel free to do.
You.
Enti na kesa na etie for the omote nka nyesa okay nti abana na nti nka you ene ufa ho dwane nka wa so okay oh me okay me feel free obi amtia wo ga na yi
uni ha
ebuzi afo obi a ho ye
nyame adu obi a ho ye
enem fra me bo wa ha na enye easy o hey
anu yeshi unsa me ampa my study
wa moa
my study cry
anyway
Edrobianka dem
anyway nti yen hwase anesa yen na Lexter Company Limited ase ai omo na se betina ha ne sresre ne ye fe yesi ne ade ne obia nim se ye de yas toothpaste ene yas toothbrush etwi yesi am yesi ye fete se sreche ahoma ye do mase nti ye de hwehwe so anesa so bonim se vocabs corner ho ne di kan ya beko nti ne yen content na afi memfa che se your friend say I ka de odupon ana
pepe
ekukudam ye
odupon so ka won so
dabio ekukudam ye plural nyesa nti singular be dey kona ko hwebra
so
ekukudam ye prominent people ekukudam nti singular ye dey
say no so words ni bi on my
uyusuma ba ko uyusuma bebre ujidi
nti
ye fra ko de
Yemfre obia
ananti akosia
yemfre obia
media dance
obia mbra no vim pa se ba na ntisa na magime ni so na de be ba ba no vim pa
ai abuza for somebody say we your best social entertainment program in the city who know baby ai enti ye the vocabs corner bro she are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Bang I episode whatever enti the word for today yedeba esanio eno ye wishy washy right enti eneno mama yenye fisticuffs mama spell it Lady Joanne ne free are word nabo in fact word na say ebo who should the meaning number one say ebo fisticuffs enti mama spell FISTICUFS FS. Boy.
Oh, feel free.
Ebuake. Fisticuffs. Fisticuffs. Bra, when ya meaning na fabra mi enkwe.
Okay, where in sana obo here na. Akwa bi no. Oshona da na so na waka no. Fisticuffs. It's an old-fashioned or humorous term for a fist fight or physical combat using bare hands.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Na me ka say I say word now bono. Word na kasa the meaning no be say
fisticuffs is an old-fashioned or humorous term for a fist fight or physical combat using bare hands.
Okay.
Okay.
Yenke kan kwa ne yenhwe a metaphorical use no. Obeko hwa na me feel free.
Feel free. But mami
when your example
fist fight, you know, say the most direct and modern equivalent. And okay, they call ma example ni anko.
Okay. Enti or say the word is frequently used in a figurative semi-humorous manner to describe intense, aggressive disagreements, such as verbal fisticuffs. What I say, many who exchange words are obey to me. I say I engage in verbal fisticuffs. And heated argument. Another word for heated argument, fisticuffs. And I to me, any political fisticuffs. Person beka heated argument bioma fisticuffs. A word there was a we use.
Now say the usage in the modern context. Now say today the word is rarely used to describe serious violence. It is typically employed in a light-hearted, slightly mocking or dramatic tone. It is also occasionally used metaphorically to describe a heated, chaotic argument such as verbal fisticuffs or legal fisticuffs.
Hey, what's like that?
Yeah, we say I didn't hear the record.
Fisticuff, yeah, fisticuffs. Fisticuffs. I know, right? British Papa Pada told China to men year off. Yes, they be out the yay, and then they win your original British.
You trust?
Yeah, you trust. Where Johnny?
Oh, you show me.
Oh, they be show. Uncle Mingwana. Anyway, 80 and no. I was here for a nano. Chese. Visitor yenya no the gantwan.
Yes.
And intino ye konsamre na free ho. Na ye de enkomo na hyehyɛ so.
Enkomo no dɔɔso.
Enkomo no dɔɔso nti o se ye mamre bam ne de bo because o se ye gi information ni nyina ansana. Yeah, we free ha ko. Enti ni ye de hyehyɛ so. Enti ofajari me da se ne wo fisticuffs.
Me so me da se bebre.
Me that's no fisticuffs why?
Yo, so that's a bebre.
Oh, that's a bebre. All right, yanti adwo baby obi aye chia why? Ya feel. Seriously, ya feel. Enti abusuafo ye ko ye nkoma ye wo enemu na special a friend is saying request a comma shemaye
say the shame and we here nyama bia music a ye push because oba music no contribution towards the GDP no one bar you will lose a lot.
That's right.
A lot of money. I mean, say millions are air Nigeria. You know, and they are Nigerian government ban when you went a war. Almost they were like us. A war, a creative arts industry was settling now.
Wow.
Music is now running. They brought the president back because allegations he do good president to do no musical president was no.
Okay.
Almost share a baby him until he is back. You know, their royalty systems are now working.
Wait, they claim Magana na anything. What do we do?
No, I mean we are on the right track. We are on the right track. We just have to position in na say yeri Damazia. One or do lead on your individual thing, and this is right. Where music comes in, and that is why all the big artists. What UK? I was a member of UK Musicians Union.
Okay.
Elton John, all the big artists, they contribute.
part.
Making sure that the music is standing on its feet. Because we individual we fetch kwajisika kwa show and poor musicians don't matter because you don't travel around today be a music and Abena, you know.
Yeah.
We go to all the regions. So digitization obey you bet sure voice of the voiceless. So see and you don't see this madam for the air and we are with the digital store where your proper monetization and Mrs. Kebiba ebegu accounting. And see, this is what I think we should do for the nation to move. Yeah, the industry.
All right, so let's move into music. Again, did you plan to be a leader of music? Did you plan at all? And what journey, did you think about it? Say, oh, so people hope to me. I say, oh, me plan ni in the next 10 years. I want to get here. Say. Inti ebe to when someone say, oh, plan say, oh, sisi ana me you know. Oh, kasa me know what are the you to know be fine. I almost say yes na ye do
almost. What to gram the book of fear.
In fact, Auntie, was it in your plan? Say me coming or sibisa to world ni na no that be me be settle na ma boadwom to fo e wo mi kromana. Wow.
I mean, straightforward, I'll say no, man planning. But my life ni no. I believe in God a lot. My faith with me Yankupon is that I will not worship any other God except Him.
Hallelujah.
And see, Bibia Bessima Kwemi Biano. Me won't say it's God's way, and I don't fight it.
Okay.
I just pray and make sure that it makes sense to me.
Okay.
And I didn't plan it. You know, another thing I admire in my life is going into production.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
When I saw Abby Krenzel and Joelaka recording, Thomas, they be able to new radio. I said to myself, hey, let's see, who crowd. So maybe I should go into recordings.
Okay.
Yes. And I also love orchestration. And so I think I was the best student my time now at Winneba. Abena orchestration, where you put a whole orchestra together.
Okay. Wow.
And so after me, my first album, and my Muniano, Tego Sisters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I started with Tego Sisters. You know.
Okay.
Got them into City Kubwari, doing the We Are the World and everything. And because they were good singers.
Yeah.
Me and Tony Manson were like their brothers.
Okay.
And see, after all that, London, because in London, I played with UK. I played with about 7 groups. So I was very busy touring. Group way. Let me hear recordings. And the Tego Sisters ba UK said, almost per se. Year recordings.
Okay.
I was on tour, but God being good, no, one software I can't remember his name of farming just to teach how to play music.
Okay.
So that in future we will have more people playing music, especially gospel music, so that they can take it to other churches. You know, I was saying yes, I know you're short musicians.
That's right.
And so, in fact. They couldn't find me, and they met the Sofon.
Okay.
Sofon they came with Sofon.
Okay.
The late
That's
and
right.
Ocean was Mimbe almost show Munia be a friend of Bessa. No, yeah, next week is here.
No, name soften your bonko.
And your Sofos Bessa, no far phone or phone. I'm sure Sofos so when he breasts, I'm saying Sofo Beba. So I met them, and that's how we did Tego Sisters' one first album. No.
Okay.
Yeah,
it was.
Yes. Was it Stay in My Life?
Stay in My Life. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The album. So most of Omonium, no. I mean, I did it with them. I did the production.
Yeah.
Because I'm also a studio engineer. I learned at UK.
Okay.
And so, oh yeah, we're hearing today. Menya, yes,
Yeah.
These are some of my arrangements in Yedin Kunim. And since then, I've worked with so many artists, you know, Papa Jansen, Samuel Osu, Yao Sapon, you know, and things like that.
Wow.
But coming back to music, on yet. Bibi, I'm planning. When I decided to settle in Ghana, which also wasn't my plan, you know, to say my Ghana, I met my good friend Afro Moses.
Okay.
So I played with Afro Moses, one of the groups, Third Eye.
Okay.
And see, me frozen command. I was so bad, Brenna here because my task, nah, I'm risking that. I'm saying, hey, how do you buy a land in Ghana? Also, man, worry, me uncle be card, me uncle. And so that is where I met Adolf Tego.
Oh,
yes.
of blessed memory.
Of blessed memory. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Now, Adolf was a music lover, a dancer, and a musician.
Yeah.
Kakalika. Who also Kakalika. Yeah.
Original Kakalika. Original Kakalika.
No, Adolf Tego.
Wow.
And see, Monsieur no. Ono Otan as Nsase. He's a property developer or building engineer.
Real estate.
Abusia ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and Crandiano. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. No number paimu say dia. Ni ayadema wono your friend Hot Bites. And no ya na pam taika. Ya kana sheshe na nsu anwura no mu. Na nso sa ya kana sheshe say no a. Ya na manfo ntimi nka ho asem. Eno ne yade ma wo no. Abusia ya tena se ya. Enya ya nkonkonko sa asem panin se ba konsa. Entimi nkata nyame ani. Ena ba akofo nso awuradura ya na egu fam midimafo ba santa da roma no apagye ese nkonkon so sanse mpani so koso saboa no wabutu pata so a na obi kwabrane ena ma no so edne si ho se na ye ho ya dene a na midimafo ba santa da tata da so na wodi ma ye mpa aba na die sa no de na chese Joseph Kenke no an ye bedie sanse ukọ midimafo ba santa ho na wo mo aduro na wo beka chese eye di Jos ansa na wanom no aka na sa de a kire sanse ne ye dokro papa no nia obia to be tono eno adawroma ena wo mo aso yasene a yatena se Sompa 106.5 enkran de enu nie sabre ye wo awa santimantam atemenka no wonyira ye eye 93.1 ya wono so ogie eno na wopem so na bobo ano pe wotie defa afa ye twa bosompo na ye koduru Paris eno wo France abrochimemu ba bia Emmanuel Macron wo ya wodi ne dwuma no ehwa na Adamfopa radio wono so ogie kase yi abo apetien afa yansa mrafi Sompa 101.1 e wotakwa Sompa 103.3 eno wotakrade Sompa 106.1 e wotachiman Sompa 98.9 eno de walaji be kwa na bro san mu ho no a e wo Sunyan night market wo Sompa 90.7 eno won kranza ya wo moje kase ne den sanate ena afa Sompa 101.3 wono also eje kase no eno ya Sompa doma ho na amane masase paso Doma FM 100.7 waje kase ya bodem ya me ne wo kase wasajefo wote ho den ya wotie ne yekoso manimu na bibia atumi ayeboko Kanehia ban radio waje wo bopete won kran Kanehia ena akopie mu mfimfim mantam wo Afrika sowa anaso odupon kwehe ede kwa kosi bakana no ewo mpona no ho no wodi wuramu a kosi dunkwa a wo ofenso dunkwa no ofen asem na making wo mu nyina tie de fa 106.1 eno wo mankasim eno ya ahemamu kingdom wono na eje kase na abapetia afa ya busia se wo hia wo Facebook wan kama ni beje no abehwe ade bia ma me na nya nika na so mpese obehwe ade ma me sesi a Facebook no eye Sompa Accra 106.5 live Sompa Accra 106.5 live and afi Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ni nyina udru ho a eye live eye no no eye follow yen na share udru YouTube no sesi a nso bia ofakwakudo nyina mo wo mo hwe ye de fa no wo no obedru Ghana Accra no a Sompa FM live wo YouTube ho ehwa na otie e de fa ene ntu so join yen information centers na de bro akatia ho nwi sanso afakra obedru wo fie pe ya wo tie still eye Sompa FM live na so e na wo tie fa e na afei ni ya choro ya tintim ne kasa e wo brofo mu ye de akogu ho nyina no wo be so kekenkan a eye www.sompaonline.com ene yan semfo prince atabo tia dawro mentin no dodo na de gu ho a wo betimi akọ na wakọ kenkan bi abusua wo mo dawro ma no wo mo ye nsem patra de ma yen na yen so ye be se nsem no kama no nsia bopẹ abajafo nka betena ase na ye de no nsia kase no e de ato aso e de amawo St. Augustine dawro ma eja piata ha ya ono nso wata kire den e di phone so tuatua na so e pia ne aka e de agum na bretu ba mo so de ne aka e wa kire mimidin wadoma nkoma chia me obrempon nana kwaku ampoma ene wadawroma kame ho na ye mo Ghana nkomo no emfama wo abusia na sa wonte ya me tsasi ukoso sa wonte ya me si uso wa ha odi etie awia yi ubaka si de to wanim ewo awia dumie no kase no so pramto brade ye no e ka kire wo se ukopie mu ewo sahwi sayra no eho no a etututu obi akoso ama enipa mienu afema hwere won nkwa nipa miensa nso de baabi a womoda no wo mi gina mna ba kokora de baabi ogina de se nyankopon da na ne ho so wo de ne bare ne kosi ehunsuo na no sesi ye ya asem kase ne beba wo mienu aka nso baabi womoda ne mu wo de ne pa ni nyina ne se prosifo si we no ewo se hwidwaboso mansini no mo na sabato mpasua no so na se hwidwaboso divisional police command no anu wo mo se wo mo kọ sayra no ho akọ ya arrest sans wo ma hu se amanfo the provision store e de adane pharmacy wo mo pharmacy no wo mo ye no so krampo a enya we a remember bi ni kode e na won to ne ho na emom enu ye prosifo nte ye wo mo se atesem wo mo ate ne se amanfo the provision store enu wo mo de adane ba bi e ton wi ntampe enu kura achi no kwamba fa na 3 tramo yi 225 ni 250 yi enu no wo mo ton ne kase ya pa ne ye se ni ne nkati cake ni de no o tramo ya de ya nkati cake ene sebie ya hata na manfo twini miije muku ha ena wo mo ton ne ho ene nti prosifo so wo mo kwa kwacheche wo mo ya sa adwuma no wo mo ko ya prosifo adwuma wo mo so wo mo kwa akoye na ada ne tututuo ama ko tututuo ama ka nipa mako num mu mienu ahwere wo mo nkwa ama emabunu oho bu afu wo mo apply ya wo mo se nyaade a wo mbepene ama prosifo sabe abekunkum manfo sanse enye sa ayi sharia law ne yade ya adwuma ha wo ena sese kura mpo no enye sa guarantee wo enye bema wo na yekọ e wo sayra no ena mabetututuo na mokura sa obetutuo kura na yese to kosoro jisi onipa ne dwane no ato abọ ne nam woni tumi jisi bia nipa ne ye threat e de mawo na wo de aye defense na de age wo nkwa nanso nipa mbefa no sebi mpreduasa pane ye kura na ebi nkita no na se yese ma momfa ne nkwa na matutuo nipa yese oso no na yese o ma momfa ne abrante ne nkọ no wono wo mututuo no yese Chuck Norris no wodo age ye ena papa bia wo kọ na afuom abobai kọ kan no trim e ma sairada papa itu aya no monse oh no masa atu kamma ne nso wa no masa atu bio ama nipa mako num sister ba kọ de yese e bo ne na no kọ de fa to sports nanso anya nika ama obi abọ ne yema pie na chi ase wo mo afọ mo ho adwene no mde kọ sayra no ama se wo mo adwalai pa boys na pilai na asemi ya ma ne boni osmanfo kwam ye usu ya wo se hwimbotam ho wono no se hwi oso ene wabutuo na ne nyina ye atoye na tifi mantam no mu eho no wodi ne dwuma na afi ye nkone ne nkobo enkomo wo osmanfo ma adwe da bi ade na te atom na ye hwe science abeka osmanfo kwam ye usu ahoma no so na ye ne wabọ nkobo na afi se ne ensam no te poten wono akirem sansa me ne wo kasa sesi Ochano kwatis. Ya wono. Watch say one penny da. And Kamabuno no kura ba hono. Se we kura se nyese no omo ho a. Anko omo a aka wo fie se na mabuno no kura kwa fuoma. Ka wani aka wo fie kura no. Kwambe prosifo ne dom. Wasomafo aba homa no so. Wasomafo ma adwo.
Dodo shuminia.
Na wahonam no bokọ de.
Na ya da roma. Anya ni wetu ndi ya nkan ya ka yayo.
Ya de kane no ne ya da ban se de ya da nyame. Na ede na free suro bete bayira homa mu a. Sebe mpraduasa ama bayira no wantimi amu akese a. Wobi a prosifo ba ba che no. Sayira no fo sa wo ma ne nkonti. Akwada ne tututu ma nipa mienu afema hwero mo nkwa miensa so bi omogina emu aye dendenden na prosifo ba aye no na wo mo se wo mo ba bema wo e na manfo no se da bi wo mo nkwafo mo nsu tutia e meka ho na wo mo ntutu bi e na prosifo na ntwen ana amane bo ne tesen
ina ma me na wa na ye na ya ti ko ya ye ko ni na so ate na sade o de apida no ta ba be ne tie enua ya ebetuga na ensemi nyina ne se wode wani kire mu ewo afiri oso na isi na utem wa kopiem wo jaboso mensi ni mu a ya wa pa ya tifi mantem wa ego ba ho ya e friend se sayira no na ebetuga se aposi fo ya oje edi anase oje kraka na ba bon ti se omo FDU department omo ko entertainment se wonom ko na fi wo ma kwa ye ifini da ji ya onom ebi na na should be ama wo mo ebedu ayira no ene ne mpata ni no e de tuja e kire mi se wo mo bi mo ma ye kire sa bi se bi no o ko na so wo bi okuru wo a oto elubone ya o ye ne mo bo so kese pa no a eye tramadol ya na nsan ya ba e fe magunu dodo no anu ma de yo ene omune ma ya wo mo eye no bi eno kan hu bi e ba wo mo e du ko ni mu no wo mo bi mu no kire se owura no eye store e okuru ni mu a auto normal provision item 3B enti omo ko so mo se omo kwa akoye inspection na so oba hu ade crop ni ya auto entem ya wono mo te no no kre ana se enye no kre enti amane ya ebe te je ke mi se omo wiwe mu omo ye enu mu no omo ye bibi a etesa na mu ni na echi no omo ye se omo average owura no na omo de no akọ station na me mu pon ha kakra omo nya ye ne se Ebiasi to bi mpo eye mfunso wo Ghana fo ya mambre mu no oye mfunso na so wo be chi nipa kro mpo no a eni kwan se obro nipa kro ansa na wakate wo de no ekọ police nemo to yenya esi wo sayira no wa de se na kire se ya de sa police fo no egbo topa ya wonom ebi wo de se ya eni wonom ko kire na wo susu te bi wo to eni boni bi no wonom ebi ni ye papa omo ye na wonom de se mu se womo de no eko ana timani pe wo se no we de ye ti ase a enye yi dan se ebe ye den na ye ti krom na ma be no ati amu be di no se bi a oton bi ne gamu inspection da mo ye no mo tan ka bi e sa tempo se mo de na do ko police na ko ye mu ana se mo de ko ko number ne mu a e bro no e ka wo no so e enti addition ye se wo mo empne e mo di ta e am so ma wo mo ne apolice for di shi ni ma ni mu ana mani bo a adisi ye ko bi wono ndi bo ye ne se abranche ba kwa owo kuru no mu no eye na je se obie echen no na vi wo obia wa makwan ama wura atimi apie Africa na ye adisi no airport so wo beje mo de na Africa to chi no entem obi ni mchi ye ya na nka ni ntenka bi se mpo te fort bi eba approach for so ani na je wo so mo ye ni se wo mo ebema one shot ni ye dika mo amane boy ko du wa ye ti ye ni se short bi approach for e ma ya ye se one shot bi ye ma ye bi se ye di ama ye ya ko ye sa e se ni personal di ama ni makum ya ko premu ya openi bia na o twem akọ na fu openi ya o ni ti ni ko bi e fin adu son kra e ko ni openi ni ko no ka no a e to premu wa o to ana nanom e won hiedo e wa bi so a ono so oye zabrama ni ya wo ko wa won so je provision store ono so ken store on cabiation petro no e to pepe sa no e go ka no e bi na no mo dinwa e wa na ni nsu na apia eno so no ta apoye mo no an kasa de won fili apoye mo no e bi ni enwe na wo mo efi mo na wo ya ono so ken store ono kan wi ya ono Upriye, you in bed, and okay, yeah. Yeti and say, one of the good in John of God Hospital, and over Ashafono, Udano, upon an unemployed Tiadua. A drink near Cassa, Italian staff, and a matter for what from an unemployed Tiadu Evo. That incident here is you. Yeah, and make you look at that and Francois, or make clear one of Eda Ayarabia. Yanam should be Emma additional economic. I think what you are a quarter, and I'm so much from the attitude, yeah, and I'm sure Emma saw her yaban. One more getting one more end last week. We thank you. One more recent campaign for and yeah, a second, and then for the day nothing, one of my nothing and papa or how any Amalia and the Amma. Can you be in the poem? When you open you be a bon como. Now opening ya, you know a bon como. And anything for ya when I'm walk to walk and then a actually. Yeah, we have seen an incident with you. I can tell you, the Yadians were and do a move to cry. Yeah, I am to say, well, Bambo send you woman and what? And you know, Jamie, Kwaku office, very Jamie Kwaku office. Yeah, I know any central problem and rather a semi fee. I'm out of boy and I'm ready to get you mistake. Sabra, I know a cata and Branadu. Not in Padilla, yeah. One more criminal, you not medical account. Emma, what you break, and show me a coin at some of us to 50 young Cassano, or training them at the children. Well, no, we are a young woman, I be by and what Sammy every one. That's rich and showing me every actually. And no any family inside the Castaya. Now, it's going to say. When say before you one of most Irano, every better you know, one of the opposing area more. The United States say, yellow back, said another bob buying. Now, see, I wish you should come every engineering work. Now, I will be bob buying. Who now over the addition quite sure on some of the now, now, some either was and run over bra and some of the Syrian. So, then, we I would want what you most addition now. One walk, no, when you have been with the papa and to my one of the choir would go, the choir, yeah, a chum of cold job was an infected women. I wouldn't see you. If you are financial air than or Muslim Yana, or what you get one more car, Elko, Libya, but yes, and Trep won't bono. Now, may any be enough with you can say, oh, who's the Yenny about the France and Marco, I'm over who are the potting, yeah, air also. If you know to say, and run, not and some way, yeah, not a word do. Now, I make ye casino. I bet you am a pay and a violent to ya or no or station. Gabosu, and a better move. I wear in Munan for less than the adequate. You are able to training the Sansan Peninsula, the Jawa, Naya Stove, and the training my one open could be or more convention and Yama, Echo, and I'm only a little good year. I can't show one, so one man to wash it. It can't say, you might do one and before you saw one of them a coin. It is a working for me, a Chakoya, who said, Wabrana ambulance, and buy a tanker, the fact, in the pay out what 3 minutes. I don't know, this should be to me, say, not one of my point. The Pioneer almost say, my point to say, almost 3. Almost a positive for no assigned banner, moving the front and moon echo. Yes, I say, a positive for the banner. And now there's a member point to say, so pretty, but another fat and Nafako. Now, some of you will be free. And now I'm on both things there. The Ashanankas, the best and Monkrokon do. Now, so I did hear now one of the moment Dawama, Echo Bo and Rebels and Mommy Dava from Simon Baby and Sana and the before Ababa and Minister of Friho. Thank you. Where Nana say, I think she and I began to say, I think she say, and copying the opposing one, and now one that's my additional one and another one share them. One more better say, one more air banner, one can have the 5 minutes, or my media and verbal uncle. And she at the walk of something for all you know, one question asking another factor, extra, maybe no summer. One more air, my ambulance, air back, about it. Now, a person from Benny for ya, one more of mine, or what is Cata, about Montenso. Na krata ya wonam ediba yi na no ne botaye ene se omutim te abosifo maako enwatwe ya enra asema eba yi na wo ho ebo mu and if what you say one on air actual give a blue action saying copying one on the engine and that's a movie in Nano or might be legging Nano after saying we do the big good we do a new position and didn't bring a say don't one man right your core master after me to see ya copying for the way we do a little Sapuni Nano and then for change. Omatini the action say, yeah, not get some packet here. The Nintendo boy, I want to let it demand and push Sadomo at the Bonko. Also, when you study a fact, I you say, what I'm saying, and she say, yeah, but you put your work when you can bring us that no issue. Or more than you study after no call a buyer. That is a question. And you never take a club in Pomino, Pomino and therefore Becassa, Naman, you know what I want to Momo Eddie, yeah, and shall not even talk about more time than a echo.
Osmafo no kure watch us our Osmafo ampa enti asem no free na TV besi na afo waka na nyina na ba akupe bio ni ayeyeti ye bie ne se nipa no a ekohye police station no enhyada nye mabunu no nko a potin na emom zamna mani na ababa no kwaka no wono ne ho nkrofo ena edi kan kura kwazo am kwasi police station no sana na tie wutie mu no
mini sa and some video I mean said that na munchi ni na ni say I am mabunu ya wono ewo popo nti we na wachi ya genesis ni and ya share a social media bi no win send and some one kasa no situation ya wo kan ya but we ni say mabunu ya be shi bi ya wono wo ko ni tinsa na ma
okay mini a ma me na wase ene wadwuma pa na wadwuma den a waye de abo asompa na yenim se sompa pa na de onya som wie pe ho akatua pa no won sabeka ya da se anwumre Ghana nso da se ni ama ne boturo do ya wo de asom yen why
so we so da se pa ni mpepe fo ni zuma di mu no ya be fa na ya twa pe ya ma ya sefo a ene ya pa wo hwe wo sompa enso ene mi ti mu ankasa
mo piafo we ye osomafo Kwame Owusu ukopie mu ewo atoye na tifi mantam a adwuma wo bɔ ne ho no nya adwuma ketewa wono ne yate ne nka no ya nia esie ewo sehwisaira no wode ho ama ne bɔ ede abɔ he no ebra wo kasa no otesi wo bɔ wo kya me kwaku otesi ya me kura enim ho no me bɔ ne din yentie nsɛm wo kya me kwaku otesi wode to yanim
inside na tua account nipa num na tua account me nsa na sisi omo de na me nu na ba ko se yante ne nka so tia so nwie oni yante ne nka na me nu de I confirm so omo free yo ha no pa na abranche ba ko lojuma wodi o store oton dress mo na ammo na anwamo na no pa ye mpa ifo bi ko wuram ye mu bi so ye ofie me yati ya ne se ya abranche no police fo no me nsa ba se omo nche police atade omo ba ha be ka so ne se oton chamo ama omo ye certain store we nyina mo hu bi sa omo ye na omo che ne so omo de ne ko ti omo de ne ba kwa na omo fro police car na buy police car na mo de shemu and abante ba go be police on ma mo fa no nti obi e police on ma mo fa ko mo tutu and abante na obi e police do je o ba ni bi e ofini fi o fa wo ko na fu ene etu ni ko sia ono de sisi am look as on count as for ofrim oba de sa na police on e de ni pa na ma che ne ko o mo ko no mi enu si fo no mo na fo ba ku de ara ku de ya na obi e kuretu ya no mo si tutu nti to na mo ku si tutu no e ko ka abante ba ko bo ne bo so e ma 20 pie na chi o so ne mo ka so ofrim abante ba ko so sa no ma de tu go di ni juma o chini storm ama chono ba ko ka na agu na ye mama ne so prapi ono de si am no ka sa de ya ntene nka so tia so wu de ya ntene nka ye nua ba ko so abani bi ko ka ne nan ono so tia so wu se oni na ba ko so abani bi aka ne nsa ono so tia so wu
we ye o chiame kwaku atese no na wakansem bebre na so ma menko ahoma no so mra na ye ne odemnyafo Alexander Eduquest wono na sa hwadwabo so wo ye aban krachi pani ya wo ho yene ne nkodi asemi mu nkomo sima kakra bi na ye hwe ba bi a daisakefo nso wo mo de nkomo yi e de afa honorable Southern nka Sompa 106.5 yene affiliate atwa wi ase nyina ho ahia so nie maadwe
ya mini ana ho to say
awurade adum o yan ye ho ye na agya yene misema aboboa no ne ehuru ho echenkure na so mi misema apom de yanka ya ne sa
aya ko ya me no ka say
yo ya de awurade asepa na honorable ne edi kan saira no ne ayate ne se ne edi kan kura ba ya na ye dadwa ne se maguna kwase pro station a kire ne yeti nkiremu ne se prosifo ya wo mokọ aso wo mokọ ya arrest eja nuboni ya ho arrest wo mokọ ye ene se mabunu no so wo mo mfa suspect ne nkọ ɛna ɔmo yɛ tututu ɔba mu a ne ya kyerɛ sɛ nipa mmiɛnsa nnura no deɛ nipa mmienu na ɛhwɛ wɔn kwan na nɔpɛ yi baako asan ato aso aka ho ɛna mmienu aka nso wɔn gu so ayɛ asabea ɛno na mabunu no de akɔsi pro station yi akɔba ne sɛ agya daisɛk wo na wodaa no anamontuo ne sɛn na ne edi kan mote ne sɛn mpo
me nua me da ase na de edi kan no yenya ehun ade portin tie ma police for no ene team amufo ne class ye se oko community ho na ko bisa omo a police no ko ho no omo ko bo search e wo bi ne shop the bo search ni wie no according to no bi a ho hwe na nanka ye search no kora na ye problem no na de ye problem pa no se omo se ye bo search ni wie na team amufo no ye omo bu nipa na mo bo ne search won shop no ono me ye se de bi ne sa de na de na achi ye wo be wi ade wo bi wo kwa na we nya bi wo ha bro no fre he ye se no na wo mo ye se omo na wo mo ebe yi kakra na tututu no ba no as we speak is an investigation the even confirm say you bone na omo ekope wo but moving forward no assembly see no no ya manage ye ma body sina the car wo mo no ye do mo ko share mochi na no pain so dissect two and among ekosra wo mo a o mo ya affected no ene empanifo wo krom ho ekodi nkomo afa adwen kwan ya befa so abema maburu na koma no aba form nyame adom ye koye no so ayeboko amaye a menu ka ya no pen so yenya another report about ko etu kan no wa very ne nkwa we kramoni nti yetu anamo ama menu ka say ne busafo no atimi aye bibi o say ye biama ono de o matimi asie no as you speak enti for now there make us say the dia you din for now na nyame adoma Friday na ye de security team no be costing ho na o ma ko investigation no ase but costing o pa na hu kwan a police for no fa so shoot ye ne dia ye nwie ye kura no otimi se no man ko yi but ape fena se na sa tinti ano shinti ye be fena ya kura na kaka ko se investigation no e ko wie
ono boye da se pa wonkyeremu ya ode amaye ne anohoba a ode abohin na in fact say na waka no kra ode wie no kra ma mese afem se ukosi no ho a eye ode ye mfa no nsi ho ansa ne mabru ne bia ka ne se ade we se no sayira no en potem ho no ebi asi ho pen nanso acha kakra ene se bia sansie eno se jawo minim se obeye disi ncheye mfie bienu kra mai nanso aja unimu se hwedwabo so mpotem ho edie ade bi se no ade bi asi ho pen ana
minyini wa ha nti se do mo kano bi si ya acheyi pa nti abakose mo ho edie se no mabo asi ne se ebi asida but ninyina mu no se wo ye security person ababi a ukobia no peke intelligence ansa na obe act community se no ninyina anye pe but say no maybe answer down ku ye se the medical can since investigations are ongoing no beboa na assist in all other investigations bia na atimi ama justice a prevail ama manfo so akoma so aba for but okosi ho na hu fire normal fast so course on the pad ya it is always not possible say you better to na ubi na ye si form the to akoka but the other part no anka one shot is not possible but all group community what teams am for shops bulletin kwan na manimu sa yo wu ya ye sie na nei what in shop na wo di niga on kan bibia ho no an say etu ni nan na musa na koka no shop a amen na watu na nanu wonsi adonti ye betwen na ya boa wo mama o my investigation that we are happy say IGP so atimi a interdict sa 8 officers no ama abotoye maba minim say biaka bia no ebe na ye de mara na aye adwuma ma timamufo no so ehun se asem ni siye no ya nkata so ne mu yama no kra dedi
right ana bu yenim se eya na yekosuku wo mka hamrofu bi kire yen se two wrongs do not make right sabi so obi fum kumu a obi nso mfum nwa mabunu yi prosifo na fum mabunu no so de mra na hye wo monsam ekoye ne ensa se wo mo ye anya hwe no ne wo mo ye nyina no nya de betime san de akra ne nyina bade nanso na wo msu se eyabufuo na aba nti wo mo so ate wo pono wo bufuo a ewo mo so ona eba dissect ya dwumadi nyina wo dwumadi nyina no na wo da no se wakwa security person prekope eba ne se yi a anohoba ben na obetimi de ama omanfo no asomdwe kwan so yenim se de wadi kan kasa asomdwe abade calm arrestore bio afutuo ben na obesa de ama mabuno titiri pan ne wo mo wasaira ro ne se hwadwabo so mpatam wo na ebi aso Ghana ne wiase nyina efa no enkomo bi se esi obi afom security wise de na abeka de akire yen
me ne medase eno anwumre by this time yana nya sa information te no modi sa ekoso ohwe saira no ha police station ni ho barracks na sansemitie ni nyina far away from saira no enti as we speak no asemitie ni no obia lebu se sankofo na but then said that hu bibia but I know we standing on ne mia mini mikrofon no ko aseteni na no kre ye pe means bia possible betimi restore sade no na etimi ama bambo for no so nya ba bia so mo yo madwuma no o matimi ayo madwuma eno so ka ho nti ena man ne ye ko afiem ko ye house to house e ko share wo mo eno mo kasa in various capacities said be ya obi mfa bufu enya ade bia betra na ye be wie no na asem na nkasa poten na eda ho no na eni na koyira na ye kwako cancer fofo nti ya kotu omofo na ya putu all the security measures in place minister bisa ACB
honorable ye da wase anwumre se waje bre na wona sompa kase eni wiase nyina so abon komode afa sompa so
yankopon sha mina beba
right ebusiani pe ne bon komo eye onimnyamfo Alexander Eduquest wono ena opiemu e wo se hwadwabo so a woye aban na musi ni ewo mpotem ho na wone ya bon komo no o chiame kwaku otese wo wie wo to kakra de mane IGP J3
aka chiamu sanfo for say police for honest ayo ko mai ani ni ye aya de se sa se na mo nte mpo wura ma aka de so mo kwa mo so mo tu fo mo ko sa enti mo bai mama aba so nte se bra police for ni ababo ha no e fi la kwa de ye hia police ni dia so be kam ko wo kwa so ya so ye ni abre se so de mo dia amaye no ye be tu mo so ka e fu so kwa da aba sa ya mo nte so mo aba police for ma ha fa amu no enti mo sempa mama abai ani bai fo mo ka bi asonte
simple we tie se kwaku kon na ne nyina mu no mabru na ewo saira no wom so wom bo kojan mu shi momome e de blocky street ero na no smart kwa me wuso kan se wom so wom ambulance ne ma mefa emu no just a police for na nkasa befa na wom wie ye no wom kan say
enye the first time ni aye continuous nti the expectation is abanma omani mbra ha say because the ekoso no akoye bibia da bia keep on going on sir was abanmu for no say mucho omani no me share ha because police for no aye continuously then they keep on harassing Saran Omano nti e be stress abanmu for no omun dan omati wa ha no mo me share
boy no mo mantem ho ni yidi no a yehu de omo pese omo ye e de akere yen omo ba so mo ba ba chi obi hu asem bi a etie nipa no oba be che no kura obenya no ache no enso kwan o mefa so ni nipa no akasa na se de ombesi atete no so unu ani sa nipa no kura ntumi nyina
ba se bisi ache ba ache tini ayi die na me na yesre hu pan se bibia so betwa ntentem na obi a so yen na nipa hu die on the kwa police for no ba bi a mu free no mu free mantem ha mo so mu free selfie yoso ana maba yesre abanya ono so mram bi na bibia tuncha tentem why
ya said the police for about room I was say omo ba be dey e ba be arrest obi a oton illegal na onipa ne ton illegal wo hu hwe e wo rat so bunuku no tetes ne ye na ye wo krom ye be hwe se bunipa ne kuna na ma ku nipa miensa ablekro mo nya hwe ye free ho sana Ghana police e ye kira mo so hwe kira mo se mo nye
sana Ghana police ye kira mo se mo nya na mo ko ye arrest na mo ko cheche nkrofo a na mo nya hwe emfiri wo mo ho a na mo boro wo we ni amanfo ne bi eka ye na twafo hene ya wo se hwisaira no nana kwasi Sompa wono so de bi to so kire se 7 producer pani we wantena fie ma se fu amfo nanso esefo na nya afo wie na mabunu na de a wo mo ye no se wanka bi anka ho a ebe ha adwene pa eno nti wono so kan se kan ho
na kuma fi be dia chi be dia staff na fi ya na yesre se agp omra sinu waka tinu mai because asema about the switch ni pa 9 na ya people ni dia mo dia side so omra sinu mai na so be dia chi media for dia send go for social na dia be di ya side bi se omra sinu mai na mranja no so no sisi a me na stamp ko kese kaseti omu na amu dia ko me kan so o makoko ya be pe mu ko sisi dia hwani abai ebe keche
we nana kwasi Sompa no wana etwafo hene ya wo sa hwisaira no na ni nyina no oni amane boni nana kwa me owusu osomafo kwa me owusu wana one no boss ankomo nyina na eno na brosifo nso de nkrata ababontene kire se o ma hyase ye hwehwemu dia fa asem ne ho nanso brosifo ma akoma nwotwe ya wo mo ko ye ko sa tutuo ni nyina no ma interact wom se ye obi a badge e de ato ho se obi wo mo hwe na uniform kro ma mfa anya so mu usi kosi se be hwehwemu ni nyina be wie na brosifo wo mo de wo mo nkrata ne ba ye no 5-point agenda ya Humphrey Amwa DSP wo ya staff officer e Western North region na wo choro ye edema head of public affairs na wo chira se ya me ne wo ka say die ukopie mu asaira no a ewo dwaboso district a wo mo restore camp wo breku anipa mienu afam ahwe wo mo nkwa saa bere no wo de krata yi ba no na no pa idie ba ko no nya me ka ho hyere nso ma me wo mo se hwehwemu wo mo aye ni manimu ya no se enura ebra na prosifo wo mo aye se wo mo ko na wo makwa akwa adwuma kakra e wo saira no community no mu no prosi patrol team ye ko ye no ena enipa miensa wo mo niam aja wo mo gusu wo mo confrontation kakra ba ya mabunu ni prosifo ne ntem no ena tuo kaka enipa miensa patrol team ni prosifo atro. During the incident 3 people sustained gunshot wounds which resulted to the death of 2 of them whilst 3 receiving nice I don't know cry no inconsistency abam but be fan sa prosifo nsem wo mo chese enipa miensa ena etuo kan wo ne mu mienu wuye ena kire wo mo san se miensa san da ya asabia wo mo so je arehwe e wo asafo Roman Catholic asabia no ho na sa nipa nwotwe no a wo mo ekoye no wo mo no General as Inspector General of Police ada it say Police Professional Standard Bureau PIPS for no wo mo hwe na wo mo conduct full scale investigation e wo asem no ho ne santi command no e kire say wo mo interact manimu ya wo mo ne nananom ne community leaders nyina no ne stakeholders aka nyina no wo mo nyina se so many prosifo aka bom e de perepere ye e de aba eno nti ne etoso kura etwato no Western North Regional Command ne ka kire wa ho nyina say won be ye thorough investigation into the incident na ne wa kire bia no wo mo de communicate afa Sompa na wo mo de ama etiefo no enyina ne omanfo no nyina asem we ho ena asa hudwabo so mra hye badwani ononyamfo kwabena minta akando wakasa de afa ho na wona na opon checheku ena bo sa nkomo yi e wo mra hye badwafie.
Yesterday, my district chief executive called to inform me about a shooting incident at Secretary Sairano in the Dwaboso district. He indicates to me that the police were in that community in search of tramadol, and that led to some confrontation between the citizens and the police officers. My information, preliminary information, indicates that the first batch of the police who went there were not in the police uniform. And so there was that misunderstanding. And when it became very much heated, I understand there was some reinforcement. And so there was shooting, they shot sporadically, and some people lost their lives. And so the said policemen have since been interdicted. And so the issue is still under investigation. I'm in constant touch with my district chief executive. This morning I spoke to him. He's gone back to the community to engage the community, to engage the stakeholders, to calm the situation down. I've been on the floor of the house since morning to answer questions. Immediately after here, I will still engage him. I've been engaging the police officers as well. That is the regional police command and the national, the IGP and all that. It is my prayer that the law will take its own course. At this point, I do not want to prejudice any outcome of the investigation, but I want to humbly appeal to the community members of Sariano to exercise constraints and exercise patience, and let's give the law a chance to work. But I can assure them that the law will take its proper course.
The law will take its proper course in due time. And the assurance are Brasibenia, Sirano for to Abadiamano, so I'm going to my name. Ewo Sahujaboso. One I also for help from Densamso, what they are to Jar Ewo. Nessanti, ye know so. Bra, Midima for Basante, Diamaye. Now be at me a coboko, say Totin. Ebra, Akobani say no, a more ya, Akumana Cosro. That's why Akumani repair. Now come Midima for no diamond. O Poquasamaira, I won't cry here. Kumasan so a work go. One a bicycle or hono, Edianum share. Midima for Basanta say. Be bitch what you afraid. Dr. Rugenfi, 1 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500 7272 15 0500 7272 15. Our host of Ninti na Behesan will be repound on Sunny. Yadina Quato no one. Now, Mesra, Josh what can you or Bupan was on Fumpino Fumpisani and Ansani, Edianento William. Hanya Nubia. Panu we party and free Josh. One more can keep correct 1 pound, almost pound on us. BBI correct into the Ghana. We are singing our BI to be a bano can keep pound, and nay, pastries, dear. One this one. Now, Quabrani boo. Oh, dear, she ever can once. Now, so can you know, a compare Josh what kinky, Neddy. Why? Ya the Mount Regana citizen, Mammy out on the Kuni. Udu Dome. Commercial bank actually one on street in the dark commercial bank and fast so straight. Now, we don't do also pay Joseph for one bachelor. Okwa, was me better to only be a quack or tongue. Namusman is a gumbutum. Ya de Matre Ghana cities. Share Bosumi a dear Nimu. Our 21 Watermelon Street, year lunch, a palm just kinky. A just what kinky no beer, and year lunch at her. A palm just kinky. Wouldn't need choice. So a bacquato pan would be a Masama said, be a baby warrior. Oh, Yaniso, what the just what kinky, a goofy. What? And into mammy, ye, papa, a yaba. Where do you know me, Pacho Munya Mone Noa, Namon Fadocono, and Servoisier? Now, Docrono, when I had on a Tregana cities, the amount. See at the Mount 3 cities in one. Any Pami and somebody me at the Baquamana ye. And also, Tom, what to be torn by Cocra 7 and 10 cities. A moon's wood, Miss Odi Mobi 15 cities, Crawan Casa. Obacasa no cre, a quay pan. Just what kinky, Pebito. Enti, birthday no and I'm Quanso Bano. Miss Row, when one cast a birthday 3 cities in the way to me at Obes or ha, and it was under from Yanfa, Shetoni Macone, Sardine, Chenam Nicos, Yan Can who beans in me, and Kruma, Froyos and Quine, Yanfan can who be in the amount correct. Intia, Nian Casa, why now, Bra Catcho, a commercial bank, let you order me here. And our friend was 0256 068 832 0256 068 832. Just what kinky. Correct 1 pound, that though, yeah, unya beer, say moton. Afei, Jebre, now do not open until you are told to do so. Ebranaso, young fantos.
I was here, or fair tossing me, no, and no, and ye beer, the crata fan mobile, not yet to their money war. Tis a dear, ye to enquire, or why dear, what to dear good nipedianimuno. Now, where dear, yes, I say. Yes, I say free and crying no man can see in tempo. So I will also want say, a Japan and a Uton boss, be I told my yasa Makatoa, and a shit. Bears and on 9 about pounds, Simano, Ediasa, and 9, Anopa, and as Hankray, a boy. And the Ghana National Fire Service for, one we tried the cocoa too. One we are singing a panoso, ya Sompa, ya was to be. Emergency service respond no one just say. Brana no na wapa osimane duasa nan na swiftly wo munya the friend say preja efre ni bi distress call say eja bi na to mi wuranom safety fire monka mo ho na you turn bass passenger wo mukura yentimi hu ewo mankasim enkrante mpo no so ente ba na sa no so wo mo so ye ne ntem esan sa akra na ejapade o mbetimi abon ho ban na waje nkwanti ene ne wo mobilize wo mo nema na ntempaciously wo mo ko abusu abra Facebook no so ya na wa ba Sompa Accra 106.5 live ana fe Sompa FM live Accra eno so oba ni nyina obetimi ahwe ewo ho ya yuton boss no ena da so no kankra no nyina ewo ahyepa ese ba biaduru kondem kra no wo frɛ won se wo mo mefa jama wo mo nya bibia amfa mfirim ni nyina hye atonso eno ana officer in charge no bra wo mo jaja mu a wono mo ko e bo be se no nso abapa ho sima no edu mienu na chese wo mo timi awia amaja na brase wo mo brought under control enti wo mo de back control sa no se de blaze no me kire jadere no esi dere na ehye ese ne ma no nya asam ketwa ana wo mo se wo mo kenkan japade a na ewo mo anya asam ketwa manfo ne ma ene ahyepa manfo sika ehye bag ho ene ye na ye nka eno achikura 20 crates of drinks na no so ka ho ni nyina e ka se yemfa dwerebe nka asama ehye dwerebe na we nyina echi no ena wo mo chese wo mo sa ye ehwehwemu na wo mo hwehwemu no wo mo se there was no risk of recognition and secure the scene before departing enti wo mo hu no se bibia edaye enti yere so a besa no so ba pa on sema no du nwotwe enaja wo mo sesa wo mo kuku ni wo mo nkaka enaja wo mo free ho nanso nhira nka nyame se no casualty was reported ne je obi empro obi enwu
we ya to answer no so emfa emamo obi awo ne dia pam dada enana no esi na brewati am fa we say enso so tel emfa emamo ye kom no hyebedwem ye nkai adehye nyina eyawo junbusume na etwem no neda na etoso aduonu nkro ye na bi eto my Ghana na ese na no juada ne na wotwe pepepe ena ensuyiri eyiri fa my Ghana adehye dodo na ewo mantam ahoduo ne mo yankra ha senom so ebi efa ye ho ye na so no wabra na atoyrenkyem we esi ye no nanka enipadom no ano sania woka no wani da kwan se mampanyi sania mpanyi se ye de gyawa ne ye de asoa wo no wo behwe nanka wotu anamon ewo no ankasa ne mpaboa mu nanka watietia afro na na se nsuo ne mu atekyerem nanka wakọ amanfo ne nkyɛn odie ne se ye ada ye den ene ye se na mebe ye de amamuo nanso amasa no ade akyi ya pɛ eno monyafo Alexander afenyo makin efutu mra hyebedwani ya wasai edadom kuma no ano eno wase na mapanyi ye de ade agyawa na wohwe na umafo ho kire no a wakofo helicopter ena edupre bonframa nketo ibi ena wona mu wiem na wo nso ni mu bia ye chiana asem wesem enkyire mu no ye nkonkotie mra enne ye kasai aban no ne kasamafo wono so ababe na no ye ba ye bekọ no so nkyɛn.
Beyond the optics, government must demonstrate serious action. We have not seen the president visiting families. We saw him in the air. Mr. Speaker, those who lost their lives, we have not seen any government official reaching out to them, their families. Those who lost properties, we have not seen any action from government. What we know is that the president was comfortably in the helicopter in the name of surveying, finding out the people who suffered are in their homes. The people who suffered, Mr. Speaker, is government taking data of those who suffered? My own Winneba, Efutu, 6 communities were submerged. Jenjanazi, Atachado, Jahazi, interacting with the chief and the people. They are in pain. I've spent days with my people. Mr. Speaker, the roads have been cut off. They can't go to their farms, Mr. Speaker. That is a reality. We are talking about Accra. Winneba, 6 communities. Jenjanazi people cannot cross Winneba. Jahazi, they cannot. Atachado, they cannot. Inswechi, they cannot. Osmonpeyi, they cannot. Atechu, they cannot. Silver Chrome, they cannot. That is a situation.
Ebusiano di semya etwegu ye eye dom kuma no ba no Daniel Monyamfo Alexander afenyo makin na sem no awoka ye no epusu onimonyamfo Felix kwachi ofosu ya wono eye aban kasama form no so aba be yi ano kyerɛ sɛ baabi a ɛsɛfata ne ho ɛna wɔse ɛdehye wo hwe my Ghana eye mantam dodo no ana enkra ha senum ne bro no ahodoɔ ya communities ajasenso fa wonum no na nyete se bi adome hanko na fa ye ena mampanya timi akase bi a wo ba dome no ne adehye na bekasa empotamo ne doso na wumfo doso nso a wo ye nyina da ebe ye den
ɛna watimi aba bɛgyina kuro baako so anasa community baako so na waka so ɔne adehye ne kasa wa brankaye no so wotwa wɔn mogya deɛ no obetimi aya ne so obetena helicopter nim na watimi ahwɛ mea hodoɔ nea ɛkɔ so na anamotuo bi wɔ hɔ a wɔne ne mansoafo atimi akasa na mpanyimfo atimi asom na wayɛ ɛde aso saa wɔ haw na no na sɛnea wɔkyerɛ no yɛwura afenyo asɛnea wɔkeka no wɔnim deɛ wɔkeka sɛ wonimu a ɛyɛ no wabisa sɛ ɛpanyin sɛ atia bisa ne agorɔ no ɛna obisafo nso ntokwan ɛno nti wɔse wɔ misa de kronti a ma panyin ɔkɔtena eluprem nye sɛ bia ne ho nete na nso no wɔde yɛ agodie wɔ abramanfoɔ enso no egugye mu wɔno so ne deɛ yɛ wɔkan yɛ ne nkyerɛ mu ni.
Mr. Speaker, President Mahama takes full responsibility and therefore will do what is right. But even as he has attempted to address this problem, some very bizarre narratives have been made. Mr. Speaker, for instance, it has been suggested that because the president was on a helicopter to assess the extent of the situation, he had done something wrong. Mr. Speaker, the president did not go for a jolly ride. Mr. Speaker, the president was not in the helicopter for leisure. As president, he needed to take firm action. And the way to do it is to see the extent of the problem. Mr. Speaker, there are those who, for political reasons, suddenly believe that by merely going to one or two houses to shake hands, they have done what was right. But the responsibilities of a president are far weightier than that of an opposition leader. You see, there's no room, Mr. Speaker, there's no room for that kind of misguided politicking in this discussion. People have said it here. The Honorable Member for Efia said it. Honorable Kobi Daku said it. Mr. Speaker, the amount of rainfall that we recorded last week or so was 140 millimeters in one day, 13 hours.
Ebusiana Chesenia Wakasa ye Felix Kwachi Ofosu wano ene aban kasamafo eno ono so ne nsem no nana opochecheku wabra wakasa no hyebedwen sanse baabi e mantam aboa no ehwa na echechire no no hyebedwam ena ye wura fanyo make kogina kasa ye nti no wano so enne hwa ena ono so kogina ya wode anu ye ma ye sebe ya ye wura ni monyamfo no bete ne nka ewo anu ye no ehwo ye nkwa ye nim ewo nsefo fromo
ye gina mra hyebedwam hwa sanse mpanin se baabi a watomfo wo bo se panpan no na ehwo hia no enti we dom kuma no wo mo anegusu kasai na no boncheku na wokobusa ma me Patricia Apiaje Sompa hema ya wonu kro ya MVP Rosalenda ya wo asokwa wonu kro ya ni wonsan so kra ye dom kuma no wo mo na no ni abedi akire na wo mo preference antwofo no mbusa 1 2 3 eno obusa say so upon my pa microphone esi na nim nya de obekasa ba akokro mu no upon say yes madam I am here ansa no wokasa eno wa say monyemfa Sompa so na momfa ma wiase sabre ya santimanta mu se wo mutie fa Sompa 93.1 no momfa ma wiase nyina se atane general ya ne nam ha sesi ai akorotenga ayene wo mo number na wono akasa mu kura ampo no unlawfully sika sa 350 million Ghana cedis ya yesi yamfa nkoye e kan say flood victims niama wo mo amoho bra bia o ena atone general so tena ase din o manfa mra bia mfa mamra se badwam ho am wo mansan eno anso mu dimrika ena wo mu dom kase no akwose edem di paper bi eno kra paper no kra na utimi se paper obi ayusuo ena wo mu gi obi pen trotro so wo mu antai pompo ena wo mu trotro so ewie no beto abonti so o magi parliamentary ratification wo se nya no kre obi afa bia mamra se badwam Mama Patricia J teach inside
34 of our compatriots lost their life. 90,000 were displaced across 7 regions. In that dark hour, we supported the swift release of emergency funds and asked only for transparency, accountability, and fairness to flood victims in every region of this country. Today, we stand before you with a document and a revelation. The document is a letter on the letterhead of the Office of the Attorney General and Ministry of Justice, dated 1st July 2026, signed by the Attorney General and Minister for Justice himself, and addressed to the Governor of the Bank of Ghana. Copies will be made available to you. The revelation is what happened after the letter was delivered. A sequence of events that exposes a government in constitutional case where the Attorney General directs illegality. The central bank refuses him, and $350 million Ghana cedis of the people's money moves from the Channel Parliament. Never.
350 million Ghana cedis. Ena wako yi dia free wa man ni nyina fotuo mu obreko a ya na musifo wa mo mamane Mama Patricia Peje no na wo wie kura no se Ghana ya mamra no atekre no 178 no waka asem bi ho se sa constitution no kona no so na ofiri ho na wadu Kevin so no eho watro ho eye explicitly clear se wo bie ni wo betimi nensa tia se kurampo akobo man sika mu obreko a won mamra hye badwam emeji tumi nanso o ma hwira tra se no mu hwiri tra jasrama ana wo ka se wei se koto kurampo koto kura ni hutumi o ase koto order kura ntimi nka se opa ko Supreme Court na ko The Hague eno kura ntimi nya adwuma sa na mo de mo hwiri ya makwa kwatam 350 million.
Any competent Attorney General could have secured the lawful release of these funds within 24 hours by moving the court, disclosing the agency, and letting the judicial process work as it was designed to. The flood victims of this country deserved the Attorney General. They did not get it. The minority caucus accordingly calls on the Attorney General and Minister of Justice to resign. What should he fail to do the honorable thing? We call on the President, who swore an oath to preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution, to relieve him of office without delay. The minority accordingly demand first the Attorney General and the Minister for Finance appear before Parliament without delay to lay before the House the Ganesha order, the full record of the suit that produced the judgment, the letter of 1st July 2026, and every correspondence exchanged among the Attorney General, the Ministry of Finance.
Wey yepesi ehunu court ben na issues Ganeshi order edema mo se mo nkonko yi 350 million every woman Ghana sikam na mo fanko we who authorized it, whether the finance committee mo famra na ye the finance committee no one ye Mama Patricia Peje no one na ye friend no MPP Rosalenda no asokwamra sebedwani dam kuma no one more na anu ni abedi akire one na no poncheku eno de nsemi to nanim.
Sompa 106.5. Enyumere no nsia kasa ebode ya sha sefiri no num mpa mu efra no hot bite no. Ya ebi ka chiachi anepa nanso yetene ne straight ema asem no odomosu kokosi ase. Ene yeguso a yebe edema abusua mrase badwafie ho a na yegina na we de etenene a wono etua badwafie na no yewra abal somana babin togwega ne tane yekoi na wono mo badwafie ho a wotena agwamu no ana wofre wo mo eka chense obia ma na somra ha no hotel din no wo se sa Council of State for a woman mo wo mo netuma mpanimfo no krata bi firi wo mo nchan aba listen attentively no mo nso ye din se wo mbeti ampa ena ofe Mr. Speaker ebebo so se Council of State for sa Republic of Ghana Amendment Bill 2025 your friend said dual citizenship bill no abadwafo no kwotena se de wo maso se ho an ko betu mampanimfo se wo matintima wi akasaja wo mbesane na wo magye atum no wo mse da bi enya nuru ho wo mfa nko ekiransa na se de papa ne nya adaje kenkan ya wo kire mu no na oponcheche ku ho nti wo amana ntofom kra na wo famaye.
I received the advisory opinion of the Council of State on the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana Amendment Bill 2025. The bill seeks to amend provisions of the Constitution relating to citizenship-based qualifications from public office. The bill was referred to the Council of State on 30th March 2026 in accordance with Article 291, Clause 2 of the Constitution for consideration and advice. The Council has duly rendered its advice against the passage of the bill by Parliament. After the first reading of the bill, in compliance with the Constitution, I referred it to the Council of State for consideration and advice. Honourable members, as earlier stated, I have received the advisory opinion on the bill from the Council of State. And I told you this council advised against the passage of the bill, which meant that they differed from the earlier advice of the Council of State of the 8th Parliament, which had given Parliament the go-ahead to process and pass the bill.
And the Council of State for one more kind, and walk country badwafo no. And the we were no so amananso ho. And say badwafo ni nyina tenene na mra bebo mo yi mu nyina nso no wo mo na ebobo ho ehunu ba bia yesa wo mo de ne hye to wo de afuto we ene mai.
Given the significance of the constitutional issues raised by the Council of State and the potential implications of those issues for Parliament's exercise of its amendment powers under Chapter 25 of the Constitution, I considered it useful to guide the committee and the House with my understanding and appreciation of the constitutional questions raised by the advice. Together with the advice of the Council of State, I submit my humble guidance in writing to the Committee on Constitutional and Legal Affairs Committee as to what and how to deliberate on the matter as attached. This is a legal matter, and we need to tap all the legal brains to make sure we're doing the right thing. I am clear in my mind that the House is clothed with the powers to amend provisions of the Constitution, but ultimately it's Parliament that will process and pass the bill. I accordingly refer these documents together with the bill to the Committee on Constitutional and Legal Affairs for consideration and report to the House.
Yewra Abans Manababe, Mrasaba Jafia, War My Ghana, or Motene no. Nensamwa, a free Council of State for Baya, what the Mabaja for no dear Futu Tato. Yana no point to etasama no ene aboswama we
Ghana Water Limited one ma yejume koyo wo maimu a yensuo ye fadrobe mu de wadaroma ene nam wonsa so ene onwuma paso ma yensa kan na wonom ede asoye ensem bi ede abase yenyimu asotire esanse wondwumedie no niema kakra bi ejensa ban mu wom ye wase omohwe na wonom etimi esiesie nyina ne se dodo wa booster station no set machie bi aba ho no ochina da wonom etimi kɔ ho na wonom etimi esiesie se beya ensuo betimi eduru ya kache ye fiefiem ne yaboboa no na etimi aboa amye nyane se ne yese na efata ne sa yoso ntiase yenka nkyerɛ mo se mo amonso no mo East Legon Adrega no afe Madina Denta Ashalboche oyare fafrafra ha aboba afe hacho atomic ashoman dome enafe dodowa ene ne nkwado wasi yenyimu asotire se frichna no eyade a ensuo no ebetwa anase wode ene ntwa ebeba nkakran nti no eho behia se anwumre ya no wobetimi na watimi asobi ede esi wose wo ha bi ede ababia no monfa enche o mo esanse papa so pa o maso no enye nanu modeni nyina no eni ye wei eye Ghana Water Limited eno mo de aba na domi ha de be 2 months nie no ya no aba be se 2 days epe na minim so mo ye dodo wa busa station wie ene beba de ya senya no so Ghana Waterfo mo mekire ye mo manti we kura de maye na minim se water be beba so so de ya wan hwa ni tua no be ye de amaye eno so won sem nti mo hwe na muntu ana modome ene ne mpotem baabi wo hwa ye ninsuo mo hwe na mo metimi emesiesie na ye nya nso sanse ahokyere kakra abaye so wo we letter announcement a wo hene ire de ma ye nto ansem no so nkoye nim
eno na ya na amanfo se mita no mframa fam kura redi eno nti na ya na wo mede bele ne ba no na nkanya nwanwa sa kwabra na ibu pan no hye na num se ne a wonya nsuo mfa moso ni nyina Ghana Waterfo masumwa over to you Jolati na yemfa ensam no nkopie mu asante mantam mo atwuma nwa biaja na ofo ene yakwa akogina esi a ba bia me ame ofa mba Zakaria wodi DC yi no ena mabru na oho no wo mo moden a wo mo hyeda ye wan logologo lai ene obi a wo mo we frɛ na we afrɛ no ma obi a fra ba sha ye hia ba wa bedu ne a asem bia ekwa achewa wo fa efri asante mamu no wode koma sompafo na sompafo ka empanimfo ba mu no wona na ye pe no enti ba wa piki ko no a pe no obi a frɛfrɛ bi no so woni ebra na wo be free suo no na wa hye project bi ase a na no kra no ye kwa nyinam kra kwa fa bi free ho ba ye no kra kwa se wi asese ye ya se wi afo kra mpo wo mu so se wo mo so de akamu a ye meye mo no ni nyina ye agenda 111 se mampani ani suade hu anasa ban no sa abre no na ni suade hu pa ye da pono so ene se wo be si hospital maako wo ha ene du baako sa se nkrofo bi wo customer service line no na what de amoman no se ne be ya betimi aboa na apomden ye mfiri Ghana nko South Africa ayifu ya kwadwufo yi ho se ye kwa akwaje apomden nanso aban no wo mo na ye so wo mpɛ no nanso project a wo ye de na wo ye pɛ eno nti wo mo pam aban no e ma ne kwatena opposition no na abana kɔ no wan fa hospital ni bi anko wo gya ne nyina de to sɛ amamo yɛ ntoaso enti sɛ mampani John Yohane Dramani Mahama waba yi kwa meka ne din ho wo mra no beto to aso kama emfama wo nanso eba yi ebro bosumi be ne yoho ne yoho ni kyesa aban bia aban mu nipa bia akora nyi a watu ana mompo aba sɛ wo ba behwe agenda 111 no ne ye wa atwumanwa bia gya no ofo no wo ba behwe mpo ahwe sɛ oh ɛho afu kura akoduru sɛn na nka ntwom sɛ waka sɛ ne we de momfa ma boys ye wa kyira he na nka wo mo no ho kura mfa nidi kura kakra mpo obi ansi ho ɛno nti wo mo ka de akyerɛ Sompa sɛ aha na chief of staff utie dia and the chief of staff wa mesko say wo mo say agenda 111 no e wo atwumanwa bia gya no ofo no aban ne kɔ no awie ohom nchemu aduowotwe enum 85% aka me ehene 15% pɛ ya aka ɛno kra ye de ya touches bi ebe ya aka ho pɛ ɛno nso ntimi me ye de a ɛne na asɛm no wo mo ka wo mo nwie da enti wo mo ka de akyerɛ aban sɛ aban come and finish am
hospital enwie na dia brɛ no wo hwɛ ye bare kɛse ate ni ma ye won kronkro bebrebe da bi ti sɛ fufu ma abai kɔ ba bia ye wo ba bi ti sɛ adagya ɔfrɛ so enkura ase ni bi ɛso ɛsa bembembemben a hɔ no ɛnam kwai haw ne ayi ni to mu nyina bare kɛse ha sɛ no mo ba enti ye hwɛ ye hospital a hospital kɛse bi ne ha sɛ as a head care na wa sɛ no ise ya kɛse bi na sɛ ade bi a case bi esi o sakra bi ano ise bo kyese ya fa nkɔ
ɛna sa ban sɛ nyina yɛ ɔman ne sika enti ba bi a aduru no ko ɔmɛhwɛ so na ɔmo fa complete na ɔmo fa adwumayɛfo megum ɛma na barekɛse ne mpatam bi de sɛ rapon fufuo ebra abankwa mu nyina ha hospital kɛse bi ani wa ɛdɛ ɛwɔ ha sɛ
nkaka ne ma no kora ɔmo kwa awɔ so no ɛyɛ ana ɛde ne sɛ awɔ kama ne bi na sa na dwo ya mfa na ntumi kan kɔnkɔnfa no tia
bo ɛnyɛ nwom ɛna ɛyɛ odedede saa no Sompa so ɛna abɛte de afira busua yɛda so awom na na ɔpɔn kyekyeku mrasa badwafie hɔ ɛna wei nso firi ba na soafo a ɔno ɛna hwɛ mɔfra ɛma ka ho ya mmɛma kakraa bi ɛne asetena mu yedie ho bambɔ so Honorable Agnes na amomolate wɔse yɛka saa ahonedie ho nsɛm na sɛ nkampanimfo atena se no wɔ madwene paa de ahyɛ mansa sɛ tie bia ankafi a ɛdɔkoro yɛ no ɛto atwa deɛ nti a wɔka wei ne sɛ wohwɛ ahonedie ɛma no na wɛma praeɛ timitimi fam na ɛfimfiri hɔ aprapra ne adodo adwuma no nyinaa wɔm ne timi yɛma afie kura bafufuom woyi ano to nkyɛ na ɛdi nturo mu koraa no sɛ if no wɔ prapra no wɔkɔ praeɛ dodo nturo mu koraa no sɛ if no wɔ prapra no wɔkɔ praeɛ dodo no wɔkɔ dwɛ wɔ no so a wɔ no sɛ nkume mɛka ne yɛwɔ hɔ nyinaa kyerɛ wɔ a deɛ si yɛ nyinaa si enti saa nsɛm yi a wɔbobɔɔ so a ɛna wɔpɔnta se ne nsɛm ne
express my deepest condolences to the bereaved families and also those who have been affected one way or the other, especially the single-headed household by women. I just want them to know that in this trying time, the nation stands with them and they are not alone. A step after the other, we will together overcome this challenge. Mr. Speaker, in listing the committees, I heard all the committees that have been listed, and I want to make an appeal to add a committee on gender to give official recognition to what women do the best. That is when it comes to the issues of sanitation. You know, no one does it better than women. And as women are one of the most affected, I would urge the House to add them to it. And then I will also appeal to colleagues that what we saw is not just one of those stories that we read about and it goes away. These are lived experiences of people that will take several years and decades to go away. In our deliberation and our support to this cleaning exercise, let us work with our local authorities to ensure that we have lasting solutions to the problem that faces us.
Wow. Asɛm no nyinaa na Maame Agnes na amomolate waka ne nyinaa no apra hwan a wo sɛ ɛma no a bibia deɛ ɛfa ahonedie deɛ ɛnɛɛma mu hohoro ɛnyɛ wɔ mo a ɛna ɛbɛyɛ ama baabi ate ɛnɛɛma si ɛyɛ wɔ no mo a wei mmarahyɛ bagya no wɔ bɔɔ so ɔpɔn kyekyeku ɛfa maayɛ
afei yɛntu fa ne afiri ne nkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ mfimfini mantam na Cape Coast kuropɔn ne mu ɛna yakɔ akɔwura Nia washe eye kropon no eso no eye onimonyafo George Justice ata wakasa den samwa tuja trese aban no ne hihye ya wade abanko kwamketenkete no wose eba beboa amanyuma ho akwatwe de amanipa dodo na atimi ateso bie mu nso no ebeboa amaduane ho bambo no ne titiru eba emoa ye no maade no so a yetimi enya ne moroso na atimi aso yenya sika so de afri mu ne sa yoso nte no ene aban no akwakoche bi de ama adehye ewo ho wabra wo kasa ewo dwumedie na sene fotuo ya wode ema wona wonya mu chefa no sei ena wosika no
Tunisia aban ozabo mazo lebi aso weme che aban wema okodo bua wonu ma we country no shebeke na Tunisia wezi wa obodo odonso in country there was that to since wa it is na edodo 20 to 30%. Obeji na nya no ma ya ba beti the mo ya ba penya onye what happened in the restaurant in the Guasipa and it will be over a big one. It's a message. Woman, do it for you as it is.
Ya wakasa ye wano any Cape Coast Metropolitan Chief Executive na chese wano so nsem ena yekọ ekotie no ne si abanya nemu ewo kroponi mu na no disem no achi no ena eye wona wo so ehwe kuayo ene ho ensensem so ewo kropono emu panyi kwanchefo ya wotua wo ma no Owura Olympia Williams so no so ekasa kakra ne nsem no sei ena na ne tofu abomu sitie.
The Nkukoni Tekete program is a well-thought-out intervention aimed at boosting local housing that should move households and small-scale farming. It is designed not only to increase the availability of poultry products such as eggs and meat, but also to create sustainable income opportunities for individuals and families across the country. Our role as the Department of Agriculture is to provide continuous technical support to ensure that beneficiaries adopt best practices in farming. And this includes proper house feeding.
Alright, Williams and no so kasa ye no Cape Coast kroponi mo panyi kwanchefo ya wono ehwe kuayo ene mfudie ho nsem so no ne de na etwagu ye ne krakra mu no Owura Samson ahiyayo wono so ekasa kakra edema ye na wudrumo Cape Coast South Masha Bedwani no no eye ne futufuo ewo na kache wono so ne de kakra ya wodi twato emaye ne
ya na sede obona enti sede mi ni chidi apa o yi ni papa na wona ya there is a ton beneficiaries so go person that and go was papa ko yi na onam zawo ano no ma wa sha abandon prime wa yi bia enti wona sha so wa ma initiative wanye eni so wanye papa nka fa we dey no woni to so wa wo sho woni papa ko ko ka ko bia no nya de we to after that was up no yi be ya ko 20 big and
Nesi Era Samson Ahiyayo wano eye futufu advisor edema office of the Cape Coast South member of parliament no eno no so ne die kokotie ye no na yankase amane bofo ya wotonkra ewo finfin mantam de maye Erica na another Roma enenam ne so a yensa kansemi
yemfa kire hwa na yensa nkopie mu asante mantam ba bedu aboboa no na we no na ye Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly KMB womo amrado awada no Richard Ofori Ajman Bodi Kinzuba one na friend no so wo ka asem bi akyere no say na no am ko de cham say DC wo mo ko ye bibi kitua bi ko kyerem bibi kitua bi watiwa no o ma hunu say afi de street so principal street no emu ati say wan am boys ni na every street na no abrante ya wo friend say wo do street ni so e ka chen say won koi say wo san koyo Kinzuba dawroma eno wo nyina prepare street ni so kama eno nti wo ka de akyere the catchment area for the nyina say ahunidi ho nsema ho hia wo a 15 assembly bylaws na mfa anya adwuma no ye kyewa obedam
Mase beye ikura wo Ghana ha emutie esinko bia na ya hyase etimide ni so ade hu ba na obi asoma ene be makomase na yese de ye nyina ye hwe eti ade a ye pese ye important ye intentions ne se be panishe waja se ye intentions ne se obi a bedi assembly bylaws on sanitation so obi to aduane that time efi wo nipa to aduane ko omoyem bacteria sa wo mfo ani hu bebre beti ba be kan aduane na de area mamanfo wo ni ma no so aye kyewa eno do mo ye ti o mu nya nu na na kokoto ye ti wa ye ma de enti so kwa da na na ye do kokoto ne omo field me mako apro e the champion portable me count 9 we are the champion portable aye kama anope me call around no we are opa fa kama score we are around the champion principal street or the champion akwan ni mantama we are ho asi atie no me am fa ho anope na me ne age and I become proud of the people of the champion say no da ye ba ho no na ne anope ye hu massive improvements and the person no bia ekoso
bibia ekoso we Richard overagement body kinzuba one na ya amrado ya oda santimantamu krobata nkase na no no wona na wakasa ye na asem we nyina no na wode namba wa bedu so na waka kire ne say asantima mu de se wo a wo be waje say unni assembly bylaws ne so no emra ebediwu we so na ye gina na yada ne ye ho kakra bia babra medimafo ba center bo echidom na just hot kenki enso kan ho no sima ba akopɛ ye ba ensem ne bi ho
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say say prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na e Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase e kidney, e liver problem. Wo fa baby e na adjujo. Na de friend premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. E ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo da mufua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo kidney problem prostate there eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic kuma se ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic e wo konoma boy hia e na Accra hanso so there wo mu gyinamu ankasa e wo Spintex there friend share signboard no wuduro na ubusasa wo pe Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic a obia e be kire for Endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic wo mu demufua.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some First Service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yajuada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanusia. Fawudanina share radens. Na erade beye
Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra pokwase Maira Accra
Heba Clinic aba Accra
ani owuntie passengers egumi kai mu e ho na dodo na ekro
ene sa Accra ne potem yedemo
ani yedemo ampa de se de adutwam Atlantic International University America memu abo Dr. Dujamfi Babaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine it is said here ayaresa no aye more me se minim wife yekopa wo wani ye 1 cedi nyi se ne betom ansa ne yeties ka no me connection na encheda nkoye na esakakra ti say wa page mu ama hode ambam
connection ne mu de we
obo wo de ba de kro wa ba de kro ye ka stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wa Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma say
owo agogo opposite government school no
na nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so free doctor 0244774282
and 0500-727215.
Midimba for Herbal Clinic.
Wudima for Newa.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Eno kre ema katua papa ampa busua ye kwawie nsem ne nyina wa amanone na amanone nsem no jama mamu ene ye wura jama no nso mede wo kɔ wo mu kuro ba ko a ewo ase ho ye friend say skonkao na ehwo amede okono da achikrum we de we fa gymnasium ho afa ho am secondary school ho na awere ho sem yesie ye say emaba wa wadi mfinhia du miensa be se mienu na fa ba mu bi nso wadi mfinhia du nsia wono no suspect no wakwa akwa take won ewo school mu ho ama se aposifo abamu pa anya asamketoa na bra wo mo enya ano no wo mo chese na okura tutia bi na osan kura sekan na sa attack ye nam so ma enkudai wono mo ho aka nyina no wo mo ntimi nhyɛ dance sudua se bia yetu no to ya nanso wo mo hwe wounds na na prakuru no a sekan na jama wo didi sa adwuma no na no na wo mo hwe mo kyerɛ se eba mu ai wo mo nim no wo mpotam ho ɛna sabi wo mo ho ade kura poten a esi a nam so ama sesei apa Bavaria ho ise hwayere pa bra Facebook na de behwe bi so hwe sa Sport Hall Stadium no a na cha se sa kwan ne kɔ wo mo stadium kese no sa tempo na ho na school no wo ya awre ho semi yasie na no na agya kasamafo wo ministry ho no afisema so wo no Joyken Herman no wono so de atodwe che se wo mo hwe mu kire se ba wa mienu ya wono ma prepre ni nyina no posi ehwehwe mu no se etuo ne woto ye se da bi na tuo wo no ho de na nso nye tuo wo hwe pira na se kampira ehwe mu no de wo mo guso pa afa wo ma sa de sa suspect ama psychiatric fo se wo mo nko bia adwene no so na wo mo hwe bia na ne konjo mpin na ho ate nti na wo ye de wo yo no na ententem wo mo emfa babia se wo mo de to no wo no mo mfa nto nanso we nyina ye kan no won me prepare ye adokotafo atimi agina won so a wo mo bibia eye sa suku ya ye ka ho ase menye ne ene ba asetino afi apem ayankuna do wo twenso mu ene ba nti enni yi kura no me school mane mema nyina akobi mfinhia be se aduanan de atwa pa e wa asase so a ho nsam nso no so mpaka se ya boso ema wo
Midimafo Aba Center Dr. Tamada so na dawroma ena Joshua Kenki enso boy chidom ema hebe so mo Sompa 106.5 FM enkran ha Sompa 93.1 was Santimanta Mukumase Adafopa Radio Paris ebutu France abrochimem ho no a Sompa 101.1 watakwa 103.3 watakrade 106.1 watachiman 98.9 wosunyane 90.7 won Kranza na 101.3 ewo doma FM 100.7 wo fire ena afi Kanashia Ban Radio and also G Yawa Kanashin Cry ha Kingdom one
DSP Sabre Kwedie where ye supo Superintendent of Police DSP Godwin Ahianyo Yamawutinkwa